most of them, most of those hypotheses will be invalidated, but enough of them and plenty of them will be validated that some of them will absolutely increase the standard of living that everyone on this planet has got. For instance, you have better plumbing facilities than pretty much all kings that ruled anywhere, any empire in the world like 200 years ago. You have better plumbing facilities than them. You have better food standards than them. You probably live a lot better than any medieval king could have because they were probably just dying on the throne and you are not.